Okay, hitting the pause button on this testimony so we can get some analysis from criminal defense attorney Joanna Nieves. Good to see you, Joanna. Thanks so much for being with us. You're hearing the defense expert there trying to poke holes in the evidence that the state already presented during their case in chief. And it seems like, well, we'll see what all he's able to share, but it seems like he's basically saying it's incomplete. There could have been more that there should have been in this recovery.
Hi, Julia. I agree. I think that what he's doing right now is trying to do exactly that. Poke the holes, maybe even adjust the crime window and see whether or not, because we know that there is some evidence that she was in the location where the crime occurred. And maybe he's trying to adjust the window a bit by putting this expert on to start talking about the incompleteness of the evidence that's been presented and essentially getting the jury to want for more and say, well, why wasn't that there? Because juries do like forensic evidence and the reliability of that evidence. So I think that that's where we're seeing this go.
Yeah, we've even heard some jury questions from these jurors about the forensics and the digital evidence. What about hearing from the defendant? We were just showing video of her during her interrogation, and there's the big question right now, is she going to testify in her own defense?
That's always the big speculation. And here, I don't think she's going to, right? We have the prior testimony. I don't think that it's, or the prior interrogation video, and I don't think it's necessarily helpful for her. But I do think the prosecution would be chomping at the bit to get her on the stand and kind of probe some of those inconsistent statements that have been made. And then, you know, the admissions, the partial admissions that she's already made, that's really going to help them secure a conviction in this case.
Yeah, that admission of I hit him, but I didn't kill him and I didn't remove his head. It's disturbing details, but an important trial there in Las Vegas. Joanna, stand by. We're going to get to our break.